Hello everyone and welcome to Horizon Dashboard tutorial for Cinder as a user. In this tutorial, you will be learning how to create Cinder volume, edit the volume, resize the volume, snapshot the volume, volume transfer, attaching volume, and deleting volume. We assume that you have a basic understanding of OpenStack and its services. If not, you can refer to our previous videos so you are familiar with the terminology that we will be using for this tutorial. Block storage is a type of data storage typically where data is stored in volumes, also referred to as blocks. Each block acts as an individual hard drive. Because the volumes are treated as individual hard disks, block storage works well for storing a variety of applications such as file systems and databases. While block storage devices tend to be more complex and expensive than file storage, they also tend to be more flexible and provide better performance. Now let's go to the hands-on tutorial. Enter the IP address in your browser and then enter your credentials. We are logging in as a demo user. As you can see, we've already created an instance here. You can refer to our Nova tutorial if you want to learn that. But now we will be creating a Cinder block storage volume. This will be attached to your instance like an external hard drive or a flash drive. We will go to Volume section under Compute tab. Here you see options like Create Volume and Accept Transfer. We will look into this one by one. First, let's create a volume. Click on Create Volume and just enter the details such as volume name, description if you want, volume source, type, size, availability zone, and say Create. Now the volume is created within a couple of seconds. Now let's take a look into options such as Edit Volume for the volume that we just created. You can edit the volume name or description. We're just going to edit the name. Then say Submit. Now you can see that your name has just been changed. Now if you click on the drop-down arrow near Edit Instance, you will see other options such as Extend Volume, Manage Attachments, Create Snapshots, Change Volume Type, Upload Image, Create Transfer, and Delete Volume. We will look into these one by one. If you click on Extend Volume, you will get a pop-up window with asking you for a new size. We'll make it 10 and say Extend. So you've just extended the size of your volume. Now before going to second option, let's check the third option of creating a snapshot. Volume snapshot saves all the data with your current settings so that you can create similar volume in future. Enter a snapshot name and an optional description if you want, and say Create. Now you've created a snapshot. You can always transfer your volume to someone else in another project. This can be done using Create Volume Transfer option. We'll give it a transfer name. Say Create Volume Transfer. So within a couple of seconds, you have successfully created a transfer, but the acceptor needs the transfer ID and authentication key in order to accept this volume. You can send this key using Gmail or any other method. Now the volume is waiting for transfer. You can anytime cancel the transfer. Now let's consider someone has sent you the transfer and authentication ID, and if you want to accept the transfer, then click on Accept Transfer button. So for now, I've just cancelled the transfer. Now let's go to the second option in the drop-down menu. Managing Attachments. Hit the Attach Volume button. Select an instance and then hit on Attach Volume. Now you can check the updated window of volumes tab and the attached to column, which shows the name of the instance it is attached to. But wait for the status to change into in use. There you go. Now if you check the drop-down menu in your edit instance, you'll see lesser options as you have attached the volume to the instance. Now you cannot extend the volume as you have attached it to an instance, neither transfer it to other projects. Now let's see how to delete a volume. In order to delete the volume, you must first detach it. So click on Manage Attachments and then Detach Volume. Now that the volume is detached, you can select the volume, wait for the status to be available, and then say delete. You've successfully scheduled deletion of volume, and within a couple of seconds, it will be deleted. Cinder is OpenStack's block storage service. In this tutorial, you have learned how to create Cinder volumes, resize the volumes, snapshot, delete, and detach volumes by using Horizon Dashboard. You can check out our other videos on Horizon Dashboard Swift, command line interface. We also have videos for other OpenStack services so that you can be well aware of how to use OpenStack services through command line and Horizon Dashboard. Thank you.